is our Cultural Residency Programme 2019, themed around empathy with our cultural resident BitterSuite.
BitterSuite is a multisensory concert company designed to change the way and deepen the way that people listen to music. We run workshops and we create public concerts. We did the Firebird Lab, which was centred around imaginative listening to Stravinsky's Firebird. So we played the same piece of music for thousands of different young people and asked them, what do you think? What do you imagine? And we took all of their ideas and put it into an accumulative performance at the end of the residency.
And we did this by curating a series of workshops which engaged with over 1,000 young people. And we're using the music as a vehicle to develop pro-social skills, so it's empathy in relation to yourself, to others, to the wider environment, and using the music really as a carry for unlocking imagination through performative senses, multisensory engagement, illustrative creation of new words so that they can communicate how they feel in regards to their wider environment.
I saw the title of the event, so empathy, and at our school we're a building learning power school. So we teach children about the different learning muscles they need to use to be a good learner. So we thought it fit really well and that the kids would get a lot out of it. Today at the Lab Learning event we've been listening to a piece of music called Firebird, and we have been thinking about our emotions, so empathy, think about how the music makes us feel and makes other people around us feel. Imagination is the starting point of all ideas. In your imagination you can come up with things that don't exist yet. So the importance of imagination is that's where, first of all, great ideas come from, but second of all, also you can express yourself.
I just think it's been so much fun hearing the children's ideas and hearing them put their thoughts onto paper or into actions. When you see the children are a little more shy and then you see them slowly through the exercises become more open and then able to engage more, and being able to help them reach that level is something that's really special.
My favourite part was when we listened to the music and we had to, in our head, imagine what the thing would look like.
We do as much as we can within school and with the curriculum in order to sort of let the children have their opportunities to be creative. But it is nice to be able to come out of the school environment and to do things in a different way with different people, formulating different ideas, and it can really help certain children that feel that the classroom setting is for what they're used to and the structure, and getting out of that can actually be quite beneficial for some of them.
Curriculum and problem-solving skills are quite separate, so workshops like this are really important to show children how you can use skills from the curriculum, things that we've been learning, and put it into everyday scenarios. It's been great.
The final performance that we created was called Io the Flowing Bird, as named by the young people. And the idea was to take all of the ideas that we thought were imaginative and interesting from the workshops and put them together and then offer them to another audience to say this is how thousands of other young people heard this music, and use it as a way of engaging, like a participatory workshop, 20 other audience members in the space at the same time. There was a portal that went over your heads that took you back in time to Chocolate Land, which is one of the ideas. There was lots of themes about battles and royalty.
In the workshops, families work together and children work together, and they collaborate, so they express how they feel, they share their imagination, they share their feelings, they get a response, and together they create.